Hey everybody, if you don't know me, I'm Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com, and I'm here to talk to you about the 2026 60th anniversary Star Trek group build. Last night on the live stream, Gadgetron 3000 reminded us all that next year, September 8th, is the 60th anniversary of Star Trek. So I'm putting it out early, as I always do. I put things out way early. The reason I'm putting it out early is because I know some people joining this group build may end up building like a 1/350 scale ship. And if you do that, you're going to need time. So giving you time beforehand to get your kit, 3D print whatever you have to print, get your bases, LED lights, whatever you have to get prepared for the build. The build will start on September 8th of this year, 2025, and I'll keep giving you reminders of the build is coming up, and it's going to run till September 5th of 2026. And then once I get all the pictures and everything from everybody, then we'll have our live stream on September 8th, 2026, the 60th anniversary of Star Trek. It could be anything from Star Trek, from the original series up to the most recent movie, but it has to be from the TV series, any of the TV series or any of the movies. Can't be What If or anything like that. Can be a model kit, could be 3D printed, but it has to be built by you. It can't just print out something and say, here it is, it's done. Nope. Has to have paint, sanding, all that other stuff. But if you're interested in the group build, one, I have the rules on our community, which will be in the description below, a link to the community. And also I have a specific Facebook group. If I could spit that one out, it took me 3 takes on that one, for the 60th anniversary Star Trek group build, and that will be in the description below also, so you can join up on either one. I do ask that you read the rules so you know what's going on. It's nothing crazy. It's just about how to get pictures to me, what's allowed in the build, the dates, times, and all that other good stuff. If we don't have a ton of people, I'll try to do something special for everybody like we did with Boyd's Halloween build, but I'm not promising anything on that. Halloween build, you will get your challenge coins. If you're interested in that, then you can also go over to the community and find the annual Boyd Crompton Memorial Halloween group build. But I'll do something special for that one. So hopefully we see a lot of Star Trek builds. Remember, giving you plenty of time to get everything prepared for the build. You cannot have a started build. That's a major rule. That's why I said read the rules. If you started something now, it's ineligible. You have to start it on September 8th. So I hope to see a lot of people in this group build. It'll be very cool. I'm still deciding if I'm going to 3D print something or I'm going to pick up one of my Star Trek models I got over there. If you are interested in the group build or you know you're going to join, tell me in the comments below what you're going to build or what you're thinking of building, if you're going to light it, and all that other good stuff. And also, spread this video around to your friends. Hit the like button, hit the share button, put it on your social media. This way we can see a lot of cool Star Trek builds in the upcoming year, and it'll be very cool to celebrate the 60th anniversary of Star Trek. So that's it from me, guys. I hope to see a lot of builds, and I'll see you in the next video, which is probably going to be Bewitched. So take care, and bye-bye, everybody.